Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw another Pokemon. This time we're going to draw ROWLET, which is a bird-looking character. So let's start by drawing the top of his head with a curve that goes out this way. So his body's kind of tilted this way to the left. So starting right here, go out and down. So right here, let's go ahead and draw the wing, and it's going to go out this way, go in a little bit, all the way out, and then curve it in for that first feather, and then a smaller feather right underneath, a little bit pointy, and then we're going to draw a third, and then the wing is going to start heading back to the body. And look at this body line, we'll stop that line right here. So out and back to the body and stop right about there. Okay, let's draw the other side, the other wing, starting right here. We're just going to go out. It's not going to go as far as this because it's foreshortened and part of the wing is hidden behind the body. So right here, let's just go out a short distance, start turning it in, out again, and then one more smaller one, and then back to the body. Okay, now let's continue this body line this way up to about here, and there's gonna be a foot right here and a foot here. So let's continue this one, this line right about there, and let's go ahead and draw the 1 foot right here. So we'll draw the first toe just like that with a short line, and then right in front of it is another toe and back. Let's draw the back of the foot and then another toe back here, back, and then a line, and there's your foot. So we'll do the same thing here, starting at the top of the one toe, down and curve up, and we'll do the same here, go up, down, and then back up. So now we can draw the top of the foot, down, and then back up and over. So once you draw the 1 foot, try to imitate it as much as you can. So let's continue this body line, and it's actually going to come up to a point like that, and then back down where behind the foot it meets up with this body line. So behind here then is the tail, and it's just a simple tail, just a line that goes down and then back up like that. So let's draw the face, and in fact what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my thinner Sharpie for the inner details. So remember, the face is tilted a little bit this way, so instead of here right in the middle, it's going to be here. Let's draw an oval. Like that. I'm going to make it just a little bit thicker here. Okay. And then slightly below the halfway point, we'll draw a slight curve and then a short line right there. So the eyes consist of 2 circles that are connecting. So here's the center right here. So we're going to draw a circle that meets up below this nose. So starting here, just try to draw a circle as best as you can to meet at the bottom here. And we'll do the same thing on this side. Up, over, to meet right there in the center. Alright, what you may want to do is draw this first in pencil and then ink it in after, once you're happy with your circles. So on either side of the nose are the eyes. Let's draw the near eye first, and actually I'll just use my thicker Sharpie here because the outer part is actually black. So an oval, and I'll just darken it going inward until I have a center white reflection. Okay, and I'll draw the other eye right here, but it'll be slightly closer to the nose. So an oval, just like that, and again start darkening it, heading towards the center until you're left with a center white area. Going back to my thin Sharpie, he's got a bow tie looking thing underneath the eyes. So again, here's the center. We're gonna go out. This time it's kind of a long oval. Out and then back. You can see this oval, and we'll do the same on the other side. Up to the end and then back to meet back in the middle. Couple lines to show a couple wrinkles there. And now we'll draw some other details of the wing. Here we're gonna repeat 3 feathers, but on the inside. So coming off the body, we're gonna go up, down, second, and a third, and back to the body. We'll do the same over here. Starting right here, we're gonna go out with 1 feather, second feather, and then a third, and we're just gonna meet this outer line. Okay, one more set of feathers, starting with this line, the end of this line here. We're gonna go out, back, out, back, and a third one. There we go. So now we've got a line that separates the head part from the body. So we'll just draw a line that connects to this bow tie looking thing that goes out to these feathers right here. And we'll continue this line over here, but kind of curving up a little bit more to show that the shape is round. And then underneath this then are a couple feathers on either side. So we'll draw a scallop line, 1, and a second one. And we'll do the same on the other side, except you'll only see the closer one clearly, and then there's the second one. So that should pretty much be it for this Pokemon named Rowlet. So thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you next time. Thanks and have a great day.